Top 5 beginner-friendly bonsai trees to grow indoors. Hey there, bonsai lovers! Today we're diving into the top 5 beginner-friendly bonsai trees you can grow indoors. If you're new to bonsai, these trees are perfect for you. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the Ficus Bonsai. Known for its resilience and low maintenance, it's an ideal choice for beginners. Ficus trees tolerate low light and humidity levels, making them perfect for indoor environments. At number 4, the Jade Bonsai. This little succulent is not only beautiful but super low maintenance. It requires minimal watering, so it's perfect if you sometimes forget your plants. Coming in at number 3 is the Chinese elm. It has delicate leaves and a sturdy trunk, creating a classic bonsai look. Plus, it's highly adaptable to indoor conditions. Next up at number 2, the Juniper Bonsai. This is a classic bonsai choice, known for its rugged, natural look. It's resilient and forgiving, making it a great option for beginners learning the art of bonsai shaping. And our top pick is the Japanese maple bonsai. Known for its stunning, colorful leaves that change with the seasons, the Japanese maple is a showstopper. While it does need a bit more care, especially with light and humidity, it's absolutely worth it for its beauty and grace. A perfect choice for beginners ready to take on a rewarding bonsai experience. So there you have it, our top 5 bonsai picks for beginners. If you're just starting out, these trees are a great way to bring a little zen into your space. Which one are you going to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more bonsai tips.